All right, so we are going to look into some listed markets today. So let's look at the indices. This is as of yesterday, April 29, 2020, because a majority of the markets have not opened for the day, at least for Asia. Okay, while we are waiting for this to load, because we're just doing it outside. All right, so all the green ones here denote that the markets, majority of the markets around the world yesterday went up. Okay, so starting with, of course, the U.S. Dow Jones up 2 percentage points, S&P 500 2.6, Nasdaq again U.S. up almost 4%, FTSE 100 United Kingdom 2.63%. Okay, for the Americas, all of them also, well, except for Colombia, down, well, up only by 0.05, while COLSC, maybe this is the broader all shares, is down by 0.13. Okay, Europe and Middle East, majority up except for Switzerland down 0.24, Denmark down 1.13%. The majority goes up. Australia, this is for Asia and the Pacific. Australia up 1.51, Australia, New Zealand 0.66. So again, almost all of us went up yesterday except for Japan, inching down 0.06. Definitely almost unchanged. The Philippines up 0.9% for the broader all shares, up 1.24% for the composite index. Okay, let's review uh, the 1 month change, at least for Asia. 1 month change, Australia up already 6% for the month. China 4.91%, Hong Kong 4.4%, Philippines, all shares up 5.79, PSEI up 6%, which is good. Year to date, still negative for majority of the indices. Nasdaq only down 0.645, but United Kingdom down 18%. Okay, Brazil down 28.1%. Colombia 31.07. Venezuela is the best performing index in the world, up 215% since the beginning. They must have been really down last year. Let's Okay, for Europe, Middle East, yeah, majority down, still down. For Asia, Australia still down 19%. New Zealand only down 6.5%. China down 7.4%. CSI 300 of China is down only 5.6%. So almost even. South Korea is the best performing stock market index, the Kosdaq index in Asia, down only 3.68%. The Philippines, I think, is the, well, except for Indonesia, still we are the second worst performing index in Asia. Down year to date, down 26% for the all shares, down 27.78% for PSEI. So let's look at the PSEI. The PSEI is the composite index. PE ratio is 1261, so still cheap. 1 year return is 27.72. Individual stocks now. Okay, this app is not uh, paid, so I don't have a lot of um, other analysis here. I don't have favorites. I cannot analyze individual stocks better, but at least I can look at in stocks that are performing well on a day-to-day basis, so that I can have a better grip at the market. Okay, for PSEI, headliners are most active Mega World, Metro Pacific, Ayala Land, Pure Gold, Bloomberry, SM Prime, Alliance Global, DMCI, Metro Bank, and BDO. Okay, so the leaders up 5% yesterday is PLDT, SM Prime up 4.2, Jollibee up 4.11. Wow, Jollibee is really cooking. Robinsons up 3.9, Ayala Land up 2.48, GT Cap 2.22%, Aboitiz Power 1.66, LT Group up 1.58%, SM Investment 1.47, Robinsons Land up 1.18. For the laggers, International Container down 2.05 yesterday, Bloomberry, Pure Gold, Globe Telecom down 1.24%, while Aboitiz is down 1.19. Right, so looking at the change 1 month in the year to date. Okay, a majority of the stocks are still down from the beginning of the year. Okay, Bloomberry is down already 48.78% from the beginning of the year. Alliance Global down 46.4. Metro Bank down 43.3. Metro Bank, with all this movement upwards, is still down 6% this month. Let's look at Jollibee. Jollibee is up 38% this month. Wow. But still down 31.9% since the beginning of the year. PLDT is already up 29% year to date and up 12%. Okay, what is Ayala Corp doing? Ayala Corp is not here. Okay. Alright. Globe up 16%. So it seems that telecommunications performing well. San Miguel Corporation down 40.8%. Okay, Manila Electric is up 16.4% uh, in 1 month, while it is down 15.5%. Okay, so which one are we going to look into today? So let's look at PLDT. It's performing very well. It's now priced at 1,270, up 5.31% yesterday. Okay, so it's up 11% 1 year, so compared to a year ago, and the PE ratio is about 12. So let's look at financials for PLDT. This is important for us. Okay, so annual problem with PLDT doesn't have yet uh, doesn't have a good comparison here. Debt to asset is low, 39.78%. I don't know why they don't have the annual revenue for PLDT here for 2018 and 2019. Profit margin is 8.41%. Revenue in December is 42.4 billion. If you multiply that by 4, that's about 168, 169. So, but the revenue in 2019 is only 158. So, based on the fourth quarter revenue, it's increasing. However, we don't have the full scale 4 years, so we cannot decide on PLDT. Key stats: current PE ratio is 12.43, about the same as the market. No, the market, uh, well, compared to the market, the PE of PLDT is 0.99, meaning it's almost the same. It's cheaper by 1%. Okay, market cap is 274 billion. That's what you need in order to buy everything. Price to book is 2.4. It's okay. They don't have price to sales here. All right, so that's it for PLDT. I don't know. I cannot decide for PLDT because I don't have the revenue stream. But I would think that PLDT would have increasing revenue, although it's not increasing very in a very high manner. Financials almost the same as the market. I think it's the heavyweight of PSEI, and it's almost the bellwether of PSEI. So wherever PLDT goes, the whole market goes with it. So I think this is the majority of the movement of the PSEI. So I don't know. I think my stand with PLDT is a bit neutral. Um, if I don't have it, I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have PLDT right now. So I don't have it. I will not buy it unless there's a slot in my portfolio that can be filled by a stock like PLDT. But I'm sure looking at the market, I can find other cheaper issues or shares that may fill the gap for my portfolio. So more or less neutral, but not really very excited about PLDT. All right. Thank you very much.